guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix this kind of breakage. It's like a little chip here. As you can see, the part just came off. The first option is you can just trim it down. If I trim it, then my nail will be like really short and there won't be any shape though, like it will be really short because I'm gonna cut it from here. And the second option is to apply a product here and keep the nail shape as it is. So I'm gonna do the second option here and show you guys how to fix this kind of chip. So if you're interested, keep on watching. For this, the most important, you will need a polygel. Any kind of polygel is good. A polygel brush and a spatula. A dapping dish with the alcohol. I have a really tiny bit alcohol there. A nail file. A buffer. And any kind of a good base coat. So first, I'm just gonna buff the area here so that the product adheres properly. So just like that. Just brush it off. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of a base coat here, just on this area, and cure it for 30 seconds. So now I'm gonna take a little bit of the clear polygel here. Just need a tiny bit. And then wet the brush. Just remove any excess alcohol. And now I'm just gonna place it here. Just like so. Covering the broken area. Yeah, it's kind of very sticky. I think I took a little too much, so I'm just gonna put it back. And then with the brush, just tap it. It's like so. It's creating a nice shape now. And flip the thumb and see it from the back. Cure this for 60 seconds in my LED lamp. So this is all cured now. So I'm gonna just remove any sticky layer it may have from the polygel, just like so. I'm just gonna file it a little bit. Don't have to do much though. It looks great and I'm happy. Just tiny bit. And now with the buffer, I'm just gonna buff gently. You can see guys, it's all done now and it looks perfect from every angle. It looks great. And I've fixed my nail, yay! So I don't have to cut my thumbnail. And it looks perfect, looks so natural. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. At this point you can apply a top coat if you want, but I would just leave it as it is. I've done this earlier and then it stays on pretty well and it grows with your nail. But you can always apply a top coat and the color coat on top. It's all up to you. That's how I fixed the little chips in the corner, and this way I don't have to cut my nails and they just grow healthy. So I hope you liked this video guys, and if it was helpful to you, do let me know in the comments below. I would love to know. Thanks for watching my videos and I will see you in my next one. Bye.